Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the machine and forcing Windows into its recovery environment. First, unplug all non-essential peripherals so drivers won't interfere. Then hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a shutdown. Repeat this interruptive boot 2 to 3 times until the automatic repair or Windows recovery environment appears. Once in WinRe, make sure you have a recovery USB or Windows 10 installer available. This is the only reliable fallback if system files are irreparably damaged. Once you're in the recovery options, navigate to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, then Startup Settings and restart to enable Safe Mode. Booting Safe Mode loads minimal drivers so you can run repairs safely. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run sfc/scanno to fix corrupt system files, then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the image. These two commands often resolve boot loops. If that doesn't finish, use Startup Repair and remove the most recent Windows update or driver from Advanced Options. Because if Safe Mode and repairs don't clear the loading stall, attempt a system restore to revert to a known good point. This preserves programs and settings when available. When restore is unavailable or ineffective, use Reset this PC and choose Keep my files to reinstall Windows while retaining data. As the final step, boot from your prepared Windows 10 USB and perform a clean install. Troubleshooting tip: if the PC won't boot from USB, change boot order in BIOS/UEFI or try a different USB port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.